No good. Rebound by the blue shirt. Aatake ang mga Tagalooban. Jersey number 5, Garcia ang magtitimon. Jersey number 5 sa gilid. The jersey number... Whoop! Napik ako doon. No good. And rebound by jersey number 27 sa gilid. And jersey number 26. Pass to number 30. Pass to jersey number... No good, 10. And there's a whistle. Foul number 27, pushing foul. First personal ball, first the ball.
Live na ang tayo.
And happy viewing po to Miss Lerma Tobias na simpleng nag-FT sa gilid. Full trip lang ang peg. Down to 10 ang shot clock, jumper no good. And follow up no good, rebound by Santos, jersey number 10. And intercept by number 05, pressing the ball, looking for a friend and bump. Shot clock down to 10. And number 27, and there's a whistle. Ball jersey number 27. Second personal foul on you. Ang shooting, 2 throws to be given by jersey number 27, Banag. First throw. No good. Second throw. Oo nga, kami na mag-a-adjust. Second throw. Oo, hindi kami na mag-a-adjust. Hindi, nagkapaliwanag. Ikaw naman eh, boy. Parang hindi ka friendship. Kami na Rep, dalawa yung 17, ano. Basta kami na lang dito na sa committee mag-a-adjust.
Pulo versus Batasan.
And jersey number 28. 20 rather. And Hipolito jump on the side. Nang ibabaw ang mga naka-aswal. For the rebound and number 27, Banag on the letter. Goes inside. Yes, sir! Good for 2. By Banag. And jersey number. Oy, super layup, no good. Tapikan. Rebound by jersey number 5. Garcia. Pass to number 4. Gets the basket. Oh my gosh. Sama pa. Foul. Jersey number 20. Number 20 on his. First personal foul. 13 foul. 3-point play opportunity to given by jersey number 4.
Batasan po versus Pulo.
It's good. They score 6 love. And jersey number 20. Number 20. Gabriel sa gilid. Hipolito. Fire. No good. Power rebound by Garcia. To Garcia. Pass jersey number 27. Banag. The court general. Set on the table. Gandang pasa naman yung idol. With a ping. Inilabas. Yes sir. 2 puntos. 8-0 ang talaan ng puntos. Magandang gabi po kay Ginang Maria Enriquez.
Team kasi ni Brian yun eh. Si Brian iniwan eh. Si Aris eh.
And line violation. Substitution rep, number 20 out. And jersey number 18 in. Ano pinilan mo na ba?
Takbo lang ang takbo.
And jersey number 27, Panaga. Crossing the midcourt. Looking for a friend to Garcia. Garcia fire. Too short. Out of bounds. 11 seconds shot clock. Tumaka na naman si Coach Eboy. Papapalit ang katakay Poroy. And jumper, yes! Nakabutas din from Balong Villa. Hipolito, 2 puntos, jersey number 17. And number 27, ang magtitimoy. Number 27, Banag on the letter, goes inside. Pinilit. But there's a foul committed by jersey number. Ano yun? Number 17.
Shoutout Jeremy Salinas, Tengin Siomay.
Jersey number 28.
Ang malaki. Junior.
Blanco in.
Junior.
Nice one by Banag. Second row. Nice one again by Banag. 10-2. Talaan ng puntos. Barangay Naon. jersey number 26, Santos Jumper. Too short. And out of bounds, Santos red. Number 10 out. And jersey number 17. Ang pakawala ni Ade.
Konti na lang.
Kumpare ko yan. And number 27. Number 27 sa gilid to number 5. Iyon lang, idol. Substitution rep. Back. Travel violation. Number 5. Out. Number 8. Policarpio in. And jersey number 17. Tigla on the letter. Crossing the midcourt sa gilid. Hipolito. Hipolito magtatangka. No game. Tapigan. Mangingibabaw. Out of bounds. Bola. Mapupunta sa pulong. Tigla. Shot clock 14. And Tigla on the goal. Jersey number 27, Panag with the drop, being harassed, and same ball, 6 minutes and 1 second to play. And jersey number 8 to number 27, puts it up! No good. Bola, mapupunta sa pulong, rebound by Dimla. Jersey number 17 on the letter, sa gilid. Gandang Becos naman ang idol, good for 2 by Manapan. Manapan ba? Magalang rather. And jersey number 8, Policarpio on the letter to Garcia. Garcia, jump on the side, no good. Rebound by Blanco. And steal. And jersey number 26 on the goal. Uy, nice shot using the glass. And number 27, ang magtitimon. Jersey number 27, sa gilid, Garcia, looking for a friend. Back to jersey number 27, 10-second shot clock. Number 27, sa gilid, to Blanco. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 26. Number 26 on his first personal foul. Penalty situation, substitution rough. Number 18 out and number 8, pakiparagan lang, idol. First throw, no good. Second throw. Nice one again by jersey number 4, Garcia. Talaan ng puntos, barangay noon, 11-6.
11-6.
And jersey and
Nabangaw,
Tuboy. Pass to number 26, goes inside. Pero may foul yan. Foul, jersey number 5. On his first personal foul. First team foul. Ang of shooting, 2 throws to be given by jersey number 26. Nice one. Substitution red. Number 5 out. And who's ball red? Sorry. And jersey number 8, Policarpio. Policarpio, and there's a contact foul, jersey number 08. Penalty situation. First personal foul. 2 throws by Policarpio. Unang pagbumuslo. Nice one. Second throw. No good. And jersey number 8-12 ang talangan ng puntos. Number 27, Banag on the letter. Big harass, Banag sa gilid. Policarpio, traveling violation.
Mahal na naman si Dustin.
And jersey number 17, Timla, set the table. And Nugoy, nakalisod. But there's a contact call, jersey number 30, pushing foul. Magandang gabi po kay Sherwin San at sa kanyang kasama from SKO. And number 27. And he pulled it out for two. And timeout. Sino? BLYC or Batasan Looban Youth Club with a time of 3 minutes and 18 seconds to score 12-11. In favor of BLYC.
Naambon na siguro.
All right, back to the ball game. And out of bounds. Who's from? And jersey number 26, jumper, no good. Tapikan, mangingibabaw, Policarpio. Big trouble, still intercept by Nugoy. And out of bounds, save ball.
Same.
Yun, magandang po sa aking team. Gang. Diba? And jersey number 17. On the letter, number 26. Gandang lusot naman nun, idol. Change Paymore. And number 27. Number 27, pass to Policarpio, abot. And intercept, ang atake. Jersey number 17, sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by. And there's a contact foul, jersey number 30. Number 30 on his. Second personal foul, 30 foul, substitution red. Number 8 out. And jersey number 22 could join. First throw is no good. Second throw. No good again. Tapikan. Steal and intercept. And jersey number 17. Number 17 goes inside. Yes, sir. Good for two by number 17. 15-12. In favor of Pulong Dimla. Magandang gabi po kay Idol Ansot. Pinapabati ng boss ng Jing. And Mr. Nugoy on the letter. Setting the table. Pass to Hippolyta, jumper, no good. And no good again. Tapikan, nakingibabaw. Jersey number. And intercept by Banag on the go. Humahangos, number 27. Slicing the road. And there's a ball to mid-line. Jersey number 8. Second personal ball on jersey number 8. Nice one, number 27, set control. No good. Rebound by jersey number. Yun lang. Mahirap gawin yan.
Naubos yung mga tao sa bench. May mga matitake ng mga kalapa. Delaying the game yun. Ayan. Sila ato pala tong mga visit na to. Kala ko sino eh. Maambon. Maambon na mga kapatid.
Paglaro pag Giannis, tatapat Giannis laro namin.
Idol. Naka-live ka, idol.
Papanoodin kita.
Buti nga, hindi kami natubay ko kasi. Wala akong kasi. Pero kung meron dapat kagahapon, wala.
Hindi kayo natuloy? Bakit?
Umulan, di ba?
Eh, yung iba, di ba nagpunta iba?
Wala, cancelin lang mo kahapon. Ayan. May sumpa ba? Baka mahinto na naman yung laro ng batasan ah. Pangalawa na to. Ayan, mukhang tutuloy. Fight na daw, fight.
Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 20 seconds for the second quarter of the game.
Jay!
What
Jay!
the first quarter of the game. Magandang gabi po kay Mr. Puro. And jersey number 17, Dimla on the letter. Looking for a friend to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, raragasa. Nogi, tapigan, mangingibabaw. And jersey number 29, Blanco, pass to jersey number 27. Number 27, Panag, ang magtitimoy. And number 27, setting the table. Shot clock down to 5 and fire. No good. Power rebound. And Hipolito on the goal. Looking for a friend to number 17. Number 17 setting the table. Number 17. Looking for a friend. Sa gilid. Pupukol ng 3. Too short. And number 17. With a rebound. Nice shot. Good for two by De La Cruz. Last 10 seconds. And number 22. Whoop!
Kayang-kaya ni Jello yan.
Yan ang batang laki sa beer brand. Kunwari, hindi masakit. Wow, 0-9. First throw by Kuchon. No good. Second throw.
Wash out, Adrian Cruz.
3 segundo. Kumami naman si Kuchon. 3 seconds. Yun lang. And of the first quarter will score of
And the first quarter,
17-14
17-40.
in favor of Pulong Pinglan.
17-14, Boss OJ. Galing sa ano? Galing sa warehouse.
Shoutout sa'yo, Obet!
Shoutout ng Obet. Second quarter na, second quarter.
Once again, you are still watching the match between BLYC versus Pulong Bigla.
Kitang-kita.
Brought to you by the batang leader of Barangay Naon, Eman de Guzman. And jersey number 3 on the letter. Pass to number 5. 5. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. Jersey number 5. Aatake. Wala. Rebound by Del Rosario. Pass to jersey number 20. Gabriel. Gabriel sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Nice shot. Good for two by
Awis!
Del
Del Rosario. Wash out, Bobby
And
Pierre.
jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Oy,
Yes.
steal. Kadun idol. And jersey number 20. Humahamos.
Boom.
Sa kanya pa rin. Shot clock. Down to 15. Jumper on the side. No good. And jersey number 5. Number 5. Laksama.
Oh, tira.
No good. Rebound by Gabriel. Pass to jersey number 10. Santos.
Kita na rin, tira na
Santos.
yun.
Setting the table. And jump. No good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 5. Garcia. Garcia. Setting the table. Pass to jersey number 4. Garcia to jersey number 3. Steal na naman. And jersey number 10. Santos. Whoop. Wala. And Gabriel. Wala pa din. Rebound by. And out of bounds. Pulong big na ball.
Kung si OJ yan, OJ.
Kasi nanood eh.
Hindi ko mas sinabi kung may laro kayo eh. Malay ko ba? Hindi ka sabi ka,
Shoutout mo daw si Pierre.
Oo nga, sinoutout ko na si Pierre. O, ikaw mag-shoutout, Pierre. Shoutout daw, Pierre. Sabi ni Idol OJ.
Kasi Obet. Si Obet ano.
Lamelo Conde.
Pauwiin ko na ba, Obet? Uwi ka na daw, OJ.
Alright, back na ball game. Barangay Inaon. 8 minutes and 28 seconds.
Yes.
And of course, happy viewing to Jester Coronel.
Pasok mo.
Pinamabati po ni SKL. And jumper, nice shot, good for two.
Pipirain na ako ng isa. Gigigil ako. Pasok nyo kasi.
Sorry. And fire! Two.
Gabriel dribbling the ball.
And jersey number 20, Gabriel. And out of bounds.
Nasaan na.
And jersey number 3, pass to Garcia. Allen crossing the record. Setting the table, jersey number. And jersey number 5. No good. Rebound by. And number number 17 for the
Ayaw bigyan ng
recovery to
bigas
number
ni
20, the George General.
Ayaw bigyan ng bigas
Jersey
ni
number 20 on the go. Oy,
Traveling.
traveling violation.
Traveling violation.
Magsap mo! Sayang, sayang, sayang. Promise. Promise. Kain!
And jersey number 5. Number 5, Garcia on the leather. Looking for a friend. And jersey number 22, and there's a contact foul. Jersey number 20. Number 20 on his. Second personal foul, Bruce. Good ball. Well, of course, ayan. Magandang gabi po sa team.
Ganda.
Number 24, foul. First personal foul. Two throws.
Yellow!
Jersey number 3.
Yellow! Yellow!
First throw, wrong with it. Second throw. Nice one.
Ginagawa lang nilang malak.
And number 20 sa gilid. Back to number 25. Number
Shortage.
10 pala. Substitution. Sabre. Okay. Pasok na idol. And jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, Garcia on the leather. Pass to number 27. Panag sa gilid. Fire! No good. Rebound by. And De La Cruz, sumalaksak, abot. Line violation. Nakakulot si Kutsin na. Nag-ground si Idol. Huy! Nagit! Tapigan, mangingibabaw. Tinukutan, number 17. Quick release, goes! Budol, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. And jersey number 27 taking his mark. Number 27, Panag. Looking for a friend to Garcia. Sa gilid, Kuchon, quick release. Bullet is good by Kuchon. Dos, punto. And jersey number 10. Whoop. Nice shot. Good for two. And jersey number 27. Panag taking his mark. Send the ball to Garcia. Garcia sasalaksak. Losing the ball. And intercept by Pulong Dinla. De La Cruz on the go. Number 26 goes inside. No good. Rebound. Still by Pulong. Sige, kaya kung nakamira. Nice shot by Gabriel. And number 27, Garcia. Banag looking for a friend to Garcia. And point. No good.
Sa taas lahat, no?
And jersey number De La Cruz
Ayaw nga lang
on
bigas
the
siya.
letter to jersey number 28. 20 runner, Gabriel. Pass to number 10, Santos on the baseline. No good. Tapikan. Wala pa din. Rebound by. And jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 27. Panag. Araragasa. But there's a contact foul. Jersey number 17. Substitution round. 27 ng Pulong out. Number 4 ng Panasan out. Second personal foul, number 17. First throw is good. Second throw. No good. Intercept by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to Blanco. Raragasa. No good. Rebound by Gabriel to Santos. Santos pressing the ball. Crossing the scored. Looking for a friend. Back to Gabriel. Gabriel, jersey number 20 goes inside. But there's a contact. Foul, jersey number 3. First personal foul. First team foul. Unang pagbubusto by number 20, Gabriel. Di pwede. Second row. No good. And jersey number 27, Barnag. Taking smart, being harassed by number 20. Nagsasaputan. Blocking foul committed by jersey number 20. And Coach Eboy called the timeout for the team Pulong Dimla. Jersey number 20 of Pulong Dimla, third personal foul. Last 4 minutes and 1 second to play. Score 27-21 and still Pulong Dimla takes the lead.
7-21. OJ, uwi na daw, OJ.
No good. And jersey number 10, Santos. Sa gilid, jumper wala. No good. Tapigan. Wala pa din. Rebound by Michael. Nice shot. Good for 2. 29-21. Talaan ng puntos. And number 27, Panag ang magtitimoy. Sa gilid, Garcia, pumoporma. Jersey number 5 to number 27, shot clock down to 8. And still on the attack position, number 17 and number 10 using the glass, wala. Rebound by jersey number 27, nakapulot. Humahamos number 27 on the goal, Panag. Tukotson, wala. Power rebound by number 09. Looking for a friend. Pass jersey number 10, Santos. Sa gilid, Michael to jersey number 26. Nice shot. Good for 2. And Garcia dribbling the ball and fire. No good. Rebound by number 26, De La Cruz. On the letter, jersey number 26 goes inside. Yes, sir! Pag-10 ko lang din. And jersey number number 5 with a left, black, and number 3. No good. Power rebound by Michael. Jersey number 17 goes inside. Wala. Rebound by Blanco to number 27, the court general. Number 27 on the letter. And number 5. And jersey number 10. Nice shot, good for 2. And number 27, setting the table. Number 27, Panag ang magtitimoy. Number 27, and intercept. And jersey number 10, all alone. Dos puntos. And jersey number 5.
Sorry, nawala. OJ kasi ang lakas ng signal eh. $30 seconds.
Back to the ball game. 50 seconds. May penalty. And number 5. Alam, hindi ka pa nakakaguto sa ayun, pumasok din. Nice one. Ang galing ka lang mag-dito eh. And jersey number 8, Lugoy, dancing on the floor, but there's a foul committed.
Traveling down, traveling.
Violation.
Ala. Ala.
Sino technical?
Hindi ko nga rin nakita eh. Nakakita ko nung nagkakita.
Technical.
Jersey number 27, technical foul and sportsmanlike behavior.
Sino 27?
Ayun.
Ayun.
Isa ko may bahog.
Napapainit tuloy si Pugol. First throw, no good. Ilan ba yun? Ay, isa lang. Blue ball. Inbounding by Gochuan. Looking for a brand to Policarpio. Pass jersey number 7. Lax Samana. 5. Bang! By Lax Samana. And jersey. Oy, Policarpio. Oy. Sa double impact yun. Uy! Saan ka pupunta? And jersey number 17. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number 5. No good. Power rebound. And out of bounds. And of the first half of the second quarter of the game with a score of 39-25.
9:25.
Bulundila takes the lead.
Third quarter. Ba't na technical yung rep?
Iniwan yun sa referee. Iniwan.
Ah.
Pagkakatawag ng traveling.
Ah.
Parang hindi niya tanggap ng traveling.
Ah.
Iniwan.
Gambal kasi eh.
And jersey number 20. And intercept. Pushing foul committed by jersey number 10. I mean 18. Sorry. First personal foul.
Ayun na, dalawa.
Ganda naman nun! Kuchono Gid! Rebound! And baseball pass! And jersey number 20!
Yan lang, Joey boy.
Intercept by Policarpio.
Kalma.
Looking for a friend to number 22, Kuchon. Lace, but there's a ball committed by jersey number
Lastin.
17.
Ah,
Third personal foul, Idol.
Napaka-ano niya.
First attempt, Sablay, 7-0. Nice one again. And jersey number. And jersey
Nalunod.
number. Uy,
Yun
pass
lang.
lang pala yun. Wala
Yun
pa
lang.
rin. Oh, being halas. Oy, hindi papayag si Kuchon. Atake pa sa gilid. Whoop.
Lang.
And Michael, pass the jersey number 10. Nice shot, good for 2. And jersey number 8 to number 4.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko eh. Ang ayaw sa ilang mga abin.
Number 18, push it down.
Nasasayang ko yung mga.
Sabre?
Sayang yung opportunity. Ako ngayon.
Si Austin, no? Si Austin talaga pandalang bola, no?
Eto, kaya lang hindi eh. Wow. Oo.
And number 30, intercept.
Okay lang sana mag-aay.
And jersey number 20, Gabriel. Yes, good for jersey number 10.
Wala nakakapanood.
And sumalaksak, no good.
Joey Boy ah. Joey Boy.
Whoop. Intercept and jersey number 8, Policarpio, the number 22, Ochon. No good, sa kanya pa rin. And foul jersey number, wait lang ito.
Kabado sa
Who's
Junior.
called red?
Dustin.
18. Sabi. 05, batasan out. Third personal foul ni number 18.
Oh.
No good.
Kabado sa Dustin. Sa Junior.
Second throw.
Going.
No good again. And number 20 is left. Nice shot. Good for goal by Gabriel.
Gabriel ah.
Good. A dead ball, dead ball.
Okay.
And number 8, pass to number 27, Panag on the leather. Setting the table. Sa gilid, Policarpio, magtatangkang lumusot. Oy, oy. Oy, sa kanya pa rin yan. And number 27, Panag goes inside with a floater. No good. Rebound by Michael. Pass to jersey number 10, Santos. That's the basket. Micah Salvang foul. Number 8 on his first personal foul. First team foul, South Susunab.
Tingnan mo. Dapat. Ewan ko. Ewan yung ayaw nila eh. Tingnan mo ah. Ang liliit nun. Ayaw bigyan si Alvin. Kaya nga ayaw makakuha ni Alvin. Tingnan mo. Saan umiikot yung bola? Doon sa point guard lang ng dalawa.
No good.
Tapos yung isa pag nakuha, tira agad. Diba?
Jumper no good. Nice shot. Good for me.
Kaya ba si Alvin? Tatamalo na si Alvin yan. Hindi siya nakakakuha ng bola.
And jersey number 27, taking smart, setting the table. Number 27 on the letter.
Pabiling.
Yun lang. Moonwalk. Moonwalk ba idol?
Isang ganun bola.
Ay, umiikot eh.
And sinumo wala. Rebound by Garcia. On the goal. Jersey number 5, Garcia goes inside. No good. Tapikan. And jersey number 4 with a pig. Hinulog. Yun lang. Out of bounds.
Diba? Hindi na maikot. Sa dalawa lang nagdadang board, direkta lang. Yung sa pag napasahan, iyon na. Oh, wala din.
No good. Rebound by Michael. Oy! Check na doon, idol.
Sabi ko nga, poste yan.
Sounds
Kaya
good,
tayo ni Abby, i-ISO na lang sa ilalim poste. Para maniwala ka sa akin. Ha? Ayaw lang naman ng subukan.
Wala. Mangingibabaw. Nice shot by Del Rosario.
Ayun! Ito nga.
Tambakol.
Kasi nanay ko nga sa Abby. Diba,
And number 27, Panay. Sa gilid. Tukuchon goes inside. And jumper using the glass. Wala. Power rebound by Michael.
Pero ganun lang din sa drive.
Tukuchon. And there's not counted, Rebano. Not counted. Foul jersey number.
Ayan, wash out.
Pardon, Rep.
Ness.
17. Penalty, Rep. First personal foul.
Wash out kay John Nestle. Yan.
Matulog ka na.
Matulog ka na daw, sabi ni Kuya OJ.
No good. By Tukuchon. Second row. Nice one.
Uy, sayang, di na shoot. Sayang yun ah.
No good.
Parang bagong gising eh.
Subject. Second personal foul.
Penalty na agad. Malas mo daw, Jay. Pinakamagandang lalaki sa balas na
Nice
kinaon.
one.
Yan mo, bet.
No good. Ulit. Second personal foul. No good. Nice run. Nice shot. And number 26, pass to Santos.
Ang ganda nun.
No good.
Ano mo pang...
Wala pa rin. Tapikan.
Ang alamang na yung kalaban, third quarter. Dahil naghahapon sila.
And number 27, out of bounds. Number 10 out.
52-30. 52-30. Lamang pulo. Lamang sa pogi si OJ.
Alam naman yan ni Kuya Paul. Alam mo ah.
And jersey number 17, Timla sa gilid, Paul. Bang, bang, three. And jersey number. Nice shot, good for two. And number 17. And Paul.
Easy daw. Yung itinira. Ang labait mo,
And number
Gabriel.
27, Panag ang
Easy
magtira.
sabay tira.
And Paul. Uy, abot ka doon. Subject. 27 out. Idol, Banag, 27 out. Nice shot, good for two. And number 20. And jersey number 3.
Pasa mo na lang.
Substitute number 17 out.
Hi, Sabjay.
Sige.
And no good. Sabret, number 4 out.
Good na.
Tita ng barangay, Tita Madon.
Hindi, mabagsakan
And
naman.
jersey number 5, intercept by Dimla. Pass to number... Uy!
Ayun,
no
Joey
good.
Boy. Joey Boy.
2 minutes, 2 minutes and
Maharot
8
ka.
seconds.
Maharot ka.
And jersey number 5, Garcia on the leather. Jersey number 5, who's foul rep? Number 26. Third personal foul. Penalty rep. First throw is good. Second throw.
Call ka pa?
Ano ba nangyari? Pulong bigla.
Time
1
out,
minute
Pulo.
48 seconds. Score 55. 30.
12:30. 20.
In favor of Pulong bigla.
Ayan. Ayan, score natin. 1 minute and 48, 55-35. Bahala kayo dyan.
No good. Second throw. Once again, happy viewing sa tita ng barangay, Tita Madon. Tita Mans. Nice one. Good for one by jersey number 17 ang pakawala ni Ade. And fire, no good. Intercept and jersey number 17. Yun lang, oy. And intercept by Allen. Jersey number 5, Garcia. Ipinasa, no good. Rebound by number 17 on the goal. Number 17. And jersey number 5.
Yun lang, Joey Boy.
And foul jersey number
Yun lang.
28. First person. One for Ben.
Parang si OJ yun ah.
Malabo ko magawa yun. Nasabi pero hindi ganun. Ako ba yung tuwan? Ikaw lang yung tuwan. Gagaya mo ako sa'yo.
And the floater using the glass. Good for 2. Last 55 seconds. And 50 seconds. Ingay na ngayon mo eh. Nice one. Last 40 seconds. And intercept.
Tamang balik ka.
Uy!
Sa pool.
Out of bounds.
Hindi ko alam. Tanda na yan.
And fire! No good. Rebound by Dimla. Pass to Gabriel. And jersey number. Out of bounds. Pakuha na lang po. Once again, magandang gabi po kay Tita Manok na pa-sweet lang na humihipak ng carnival. Carnival ba? Ay, di ba?
Ayun, foul pa.
Out of bounds. 3 seconds to play. Basa pa lang po. Foul number 9.
Angelo.
Second personal foul, penalty situation.
Foul yun, foul. Foul pa, hindi pa naghahabol. Bulungan mo na yung coach mo. Shooter ah.
Ano yan?
Shooter.
Tatlo?
Oo.
Hey,
Tatlo ba?
Oh, to keep
shout
it.
out to Ronaldinho
Fourth
Diaz.
quarter,
Magandang
58-39. Yan, magpo-fourth quarter na. Ojay, waka mo, Ojay. Waka mo.
Tawagin mo, tawagin mo.
Ojay!
Wow! Mukha kang burat.
Naghahabol kayo.
And fire! No good. Rebound by Lugoy.
Ayun, no? Walang mga karas. Sayang.
And Michael. Tumalama.
Step back. Malaaris. Step back malaaris.
And jersey number 27, Banag on the letter 5. No good. And number 8, jersey number 8, setting the table.
Backcourt.
Good yun. And jersey number 24.
Bang!
Yan, good for the
Para si
right
Aris
player,
talaga.
Rosario. But this time out muna, idol. Eh, nalobat niya. Lobat na ba? Lobat.
Pinakita sa amin.
Naghahabol kayo. Hanggang third quarter pa lang. Kaya sila natin sa hindi na maliit. Hindi na maghahabol. Kaya ba? Bakang ako sa ilalim. Kaya yun sa Diyos ko. Kapag naghahabol ka. Ang natin mo matatak. Ang natin mo pinagalan sa kausapin mo nga lang sila. Ayan, committee's time out po. Nalobat ang scoreboard. Shoutout kay SK Allen. Pagod na pagod.
Hindi mo kumakit.
Back to the ball game.
Nambakal pa ba?
And Banag on the goal.
Family.
Sabi nga naman, idol.
Wala. Naghahabol na sila. Ayaw pang pumwesto. Ayan. Pinasa pa.
And jersey number 4. Foul number 9.
60-35 po.
Third
Oh,
personal foul.
60-35.
First team
Ay,
foul.
39.
Shout out po
39.
kay Ekwak.
39 pala, sorry. 39.
Shout out po kay
Labang ang
Ekwak.
pulo.
Hindi na makashoot. Uwi na po kami. Ingat.
60-39. Lamang ang
Yan,
pulo.
Message from Erdrick Chua. No good.
Ganda.
Uy, nice shot. Good for 2. Run score 64-1.
Yan.
And Banag to number 5. Yun lang ipinasa sa kalaban. And jersey number 17. Number 8. Nice shot. Dos.
Live lang to.
And number 27, Banag ang magtitimon sa gilid. Number 3, Nogid. Rebound by and intercept by Banag on the goal. Foul jersey number 09. Warning. Nice shot. Warning ka na ba? Wala pa na shoot. And number 8, Ibinasa. Nice. No good. Nice shot. Good for 2.
Gusto mo pa naman na shoot ka.
Okay na.
Gulat pa eh.
Baon ka rin na. And fire. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Looking for a friend to jersey number 9. And number 8, Nugoy goes inside. Gandang pasa naman doon. Nice shot by number 17. And number 3, Nogin, intercept. And jersey number 8.
Ganda nun.
Nice shot, good for 2. Timeout, BLYC or Batasan Looban Youth Club with a time of 6 minutes and 59 seconds.
68-43.
Score 16-43 and still Pulong Finland Days. Shoutout po kay Tyrone Kurt de la Cruz from... shoutout po kay Patas by Tyrone Kurt de la Cruz. Nice shot, good for 2.
Ayun ako sinasabi.
And jersey number 8 on the letter. And fire, no good. Uy, no good again. Rib. And jersey number 8, nakapulot.
Double.
Natiling violation. Sub rep number 7 out.
Kabaders nga.
And number 24 to Nugoy. Nugoy on the letter. And 5. Bang bang 3. And number 8. Uspal Red, number 27. Hacking Pong.
Ang bigyan.
Graduate na si Adam.
Dapat kanina pa yun. Sayang.
And jersey number 27, Panag, sumalaksak, no good. And jersey number 17 to number 8. And intercept by Emerson again. Nice shot. Last 5 minutes to play. 5, no good. Nice shot, number 2. Time out for Longview.
Score ulit natin. 73-48, lamang pulo 4 minutes.
Back to the ball game.
Meow, 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 meow.
And jersey number. No good. Nice shot, good for 2. And number 27. Number 27 on the ladder. Wala, Tapigan. Jersey number 24. Looking for a friend.
Sigaw na sigaw po.
And out of bounds. And 5. No good. Wala. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number
Ang sana umiikot yung bola.
5.
Ben.
Bang bang 3. Warning for disqualification. Second shot clock. And number 8 to number 20. No good. And Tapikan. Jersey number 17. Wala. Rebound by number 5. And number 5, Garcia. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Out of bounds. Sabre. Pasok na po. No game. And jersey number 5. No good. Nice one again. 80-50. Talaan ng puntos.
80-50 po, 80-50. Lamang ng 30 ang pulo.
Nice shot. Good for two. Technical foul. Graduate.
Graduate. Graduate pa si Gabriel.
Nice one. Blue ball. 2 minutes and 30. Sobre. Number 8, fire. Nice shot.
Utang ah.
Good for 3 by Laksamana. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Bang, bang.
Bang bang 3. Nice shot, good for 2.
Nagtitip pa ng mga kampe.
And fire. No good. 1 minute and 9.
Yeah.
And fire. No good. Foul out.
Nila mo eh. Ay, nag-uuwian na po ang mga tao.
No good. And
Aris.
nice shot, good for 2.
Aris. Ah, si Alexis pala yun. Si Alexis.
And jersey number. No good. And number 17. Out of bounds. Number 18.
18 seconds na lang.
17.
Ang tira mo yan. Isa pa.
Okay na.
Okay. Tapos na ang game. Ang score natin, 87-57.